Hello and welcome to the introduction for this course. In this course, you'll learn how to build 10 projects from scratch. So the projects we are going to build are a web browser, a volume converter, a mass operations app, Google Maps, a ping pong game, digital calculator, a currency converter, a paint drawing application, and a music player. There are 11 sections in the course, 79 lectures. The duration of the course is 6 hours and 38 minutes. Each project has its own section. To take this course, you will need to have some knowledge of C#, and you also need to have Visual Studio installed on your computer. The course will show you how to install Visual Studio. This course is designed for beginner C# developers. Hello and welcome to this video. What is C#? C# is pronounced as C#. It is an object-oriented programming language created by Microsoft. C# is a modern and popular programming language. C# is a case-sensitive language. C# runs on the .NET framework. The .NET framework is basically a framework for developing software. It is created by Microsoft. It is made up of different types of tools and programming languages and libraries for building different types of applications. C# can be used to build a variety of applications like mobile applications,